Your iPad has gone completely silent. No sound from YouTube, no notification pings, nothing from your apps. Before you panic or book a Genius Bar appointment, stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm covering every reason an iPad loses audio and walking you through the fix for each one, starting with the ones that take 10 seconds. Let's go. iPad audio problems almost always have a software or setting cause, not a hardware one. That's great news because it means we can usually fix this without touching a screwdriver or spending a cent. Hit like and subscribe if this saves you, and let's get right into it. Check the volume. This sounds obvious, but it catches so many people. On any model, press the volume up button and watch the volume indicator on the screen. Also, pull down from the top right corner to access the control center and make sure the volume slider isn't set at 0. Then check silent mode. Some users accidentally enable silent mode that mute audio notifications. To check this, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner and turn off silent mode. Also test sound with YouTube, Safari videos, and Music app. This helps determine whether the issue is system-wide or app-specific. Disconnect headphones and Bluetooth devices. Your iPad might think audio is still being routed to a pair of headphones or a Bluetooth speaker that's no longer connected, so it sends sounds nowhere. Unplug any headphone cable, then go to Settings, Bluetooth, and disconnect or forget any active audio device. After this, test your speakers again. Next, check volume inside the specific app. Some apps, especially video players and games, have their own internal volume control that's completely separate from the iPad system volume. Open the app, look for the volume slider inside the player or in the app's own settings and crank it up. This one trips people up constantly. Turn off Do Not Disturb and Focus modes. Do Not Disturb silences notifications completely, and a focus mode can block sounds from specific apps. Access the control center and check if the focus mode button is highlighted. If any focus mode is enabled, turn it off. A software glitch can freeze the audio system without affecting anything else on the screen. Force restart clears it instantly. On Face ID iPads, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then hold the top button until the Apple logo shows up on the screen. On Home button iPads, hold the top button and the home button together until you see the Apple logo. Test sounds immediately after it reboots. If you're hearing app audio fine but not notification sounds, head to Settings. Here, tap on Sounds. Make sure Ringer and Alerts is turned up. Then go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Pick the app that's silent and confirm that sounds are enabled for it. iOS can mute individual apps without you realizing. Update iPadOS and reinstall the problem app. Audio bugs are sometimes introduced in a software update and fixed in the next one. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update and install any pending updates. If the silence is limited to one app, delete it, restart your iPad, then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. A corrupted app install can kill its own audio completely. Turn off mono audio and accessibility settings. Accessibility settings can occasionally affect audio playback. Go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Audio and Visual. Here, check Mono Audio, Balance Slider, and Headphone Accommodations. Make sure audio balance is centered. Check for water or moisture. If your iPad recently got wet, the speakers may temporarily stop working or sound distorted. Here's what to do. Turn the iPad off, let it dry naturally, and keep it in a cool, dry area. Do not use a hairdryer or charge immediately if moisture is present. Give it several hours before testing again. If nothing has worked, a deep settings conflict could be the culprit. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, it just wipes customized settings back to defaults. If the speaker is still silent after a clean reset, the hardware itself may be at fault. In that case, book an Apple support appointment. A speaker repair is often covered under warranty if your iPad is under a year old. And that's every audio fix I know, from the fastest to the most thorough. If one of those brought your sound back, drop a comment below and tell me which step fixed it. It generally helps others watching find the right answer faster. Give the video a like if it saved your trip to the Apple Store, and subscribe to our channel for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching.